This is one of the easiest way you can actually start making a lot of money without any experience online from the comfort of your home. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to actually join the Whop platform and start making money for yourself from day one that you join this platform. All right. So to go through this with me, all you need to do right now, because I'm going to walk you step by step on how to do this, is to use the link in the video description. The link to the website is in the video description. Click on it and then follow me through the process of creating an account. And I will show you how you can start earning right now from the Whop platform. So once you click on the link, it brings you to this page. And you can see this is the Make Money app. And guys, this is amazing. Even if you are using a mobile app, you can actually start doing this from the comfort of your home. All you need is a device that has access to the internet and then internet connection. All right. So once you click on it, it brings you to this page. All you just need to do is to sign up for an account. Now you have the option to sign up with your email. You can sign up with all of this. You can sign up with your Google account. You can sign up with your crypto wallet. You can sign up with all of these options here. But in my own case, I'm going to sign up using my Google account. So just click on the Google icon and that will proceed. Choose the email you want to sign up with and then continue. Now on this page right here, you are to choose a username. So choose any username that is available for you. Just type the name in front of the ad and you are good to go. Once the name is available, it will let you know. If the name is not available, tweak it or choose a different username and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, it brings you to this page where you need to join your first Whop. Right? So Whops are platform communities that you can join and start seeing different opportunities that you can participate in and start making money from the comfort of your home. So I would recommend that you join the first one right here, and you can join as many as you want, right? But just join the first one and then click on continue. Once you join your Whop community and you click on continue, it brings you to this page. And right here, there are menus by the side right here. Okay, these are the different menus you have here. We want to scroll down to the third menu icon right here. If you hover over it, you see it says discover. Click on that discover option. Now, once you click on the discover option, if you are doing this for the first time, this page may be blank. So you want to click on the explore option up here, right? So click on the explore option. And once you click on the explore, you'll see this different content will show up here. Now, when you scroll down, you see where it says content rewards. This is what I want you to focus on. You can see right here that if you want to participate in this, per 1,000 view, you get 30 cents. And then for this one here, per 1,000 view, you get $1.5. Per 1,000 view, you get $5. Per 1,000 view, you get $2 and all of that. So what this platform simply does is that there are a whole lot of tasks here that you need to complete. And completing this task is it requires you to post. Okay, you can make a post on your Instagram, you can make a post on TikTok, you can make a post on YouTube, and some of them equally require that you make a post on your X account. And based on 1,000 views, the number of views you get on those posts you make or on those videos that you publish, or for instance TikTok, YouTube shows and all of that, you get paid per 1,000 view, you get paid $4, right? Per 1,000 view. And this thing can pay as high as $1,000 per view, per 1,000 view. So if I want to see more of this tax right here on the content reward option, so you create content and you get rewarded for doing that. So if I want to see more, I'll go ahead and click on the show all option right here. Once you click on the show all option, it brings you here and you can see more tags. So all you just need to do is to post content on social media and then you get paid for the number of views that you generate for that. You can go from one page to another and see different options, and you can equally come in here to sort. Okay, if I go to the sort by, if I click on it, you can sort by the highest CPM. So if I click on the highest CPM option, this will bring us here, and currently this is the one I'm participating in, the Whop University. And you can see that per 1,000 view I'm going to get $50 for that. And then this one here, YouTube automation, per 1,000 view I'm going to get $55 for that. So I'm equally going to participate in this one as well. You can see this one right here, per 1,000 view they are ready to pay you $30, and it goes on, right? This one per 1,000 view you get $20 for that. So you can come in here to any of these ones that resonates with you and apply for that particular content, challenge option, create the content, and you get paid once you start generating view for that particular content that you've created. Now, if you want to get an idea of what other people are doing, you can click on the submissions option, and right here on the submission page, you can get different ideas. You can see that the first video here has gotten $3,500, and then this one 3,500, 3,500, this one almost 2,500. And if you scroll down here, you see different ideas, okay, different ideas of what others have done already. You can get an idea from here and create your own video, and they are earning money from me. So if we come back to the content reward option again, I'm going to sort that again by highest CPM. Click on that option and it brings us here. So if you see anyone that you like, all you just need to do is to click on it to join. For instance, I've already joined this particular one. That is why it says open. And if you are clicking on a new one, for instance, if I want to join this one right here, I'll go ahead and click on the join option right here. So I just click on join, and it will take me to that platform. But now that I've joined the Whop University already, let me just go ahead and open it up to show you how that works. So once I open it up, this is the particular task that I'm going to complete, and you can come in here to chat. This is the home page. You can chat with others. Then click on the end option right here. Now, once you click on the end option, you want to scroll down here and see where it says content reward. Click on it. And once it opens up, these are the basic rules that you need to adhere to. Now, for this particular task, it requires that I create a YouTube video. Okay, so I create a YouTube video, and once I do that, I need to publish the video on my own platform on my YouTube channel. After that, I need to submit the link in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour of publishing that post, I need to submit the link right here. Okay, and these are some of the basic requirements that are needed that you must adhere to. Now, video must be at least 5 minutes long. The video must be dedicated on using Whop, which is what I'm doing right now. And then the audience location must be from all of these different locations that you see here. That way you'll be able to get the $50 per 1,000 view once you submit your content. So after you've created your content, you need to upload it on your own platform. After that, you come in here to the option that says submit, and you'll be asked to paste the link to the video you created, okay, and equally upload the video on the platform as well. So once you do that, you go ahead and click on the submit option. Now, for this Whop, for the Whop to recognize the platform you're uploading this video to, you need to first link up your platform, your YouTube channel, or your Instagram or your TikTok to the Whop platform. And how do you do that? If I go down right here, the last option here on the menus here is your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. Now, once you click on your profile icon, click on the connected account option. So right here is where you can connect. These are the different platforms that you can use to make posts. Okay, you can connect your Telegram, you can connect your TradingView, you can connect your TikTok, your YouTube. Okay, any of these platforms, make sure that they are all connected. If I want to connect my YouTube, I just go ahead and click on the connect YouTube option, and then I'm going to paste the link of my YouTube right here and click on add, and they will generate a code for you to go and add on your YouTube description. And after that, you come back to click on the verify option and you are good to go. Now, once your account is connected, you can now come back to the content reward option and then complete the task. Some of these require that you create a video of 1 minute or less and publish on your platform, and then you come in here to submit your tax. Once you submit your tax, once you meet the requirement of 1,000 view, you get rewarded for that. All right, so many people are doing this, and this is what is trending right now. A lot of persons are getting a lot of view, and you too can participate in this and start making money for yourself. Share this video with somebody you think will need it, and let them start making this money. And let me know in the comment section if you are going to join this. And once you join, you start seeing results, please let us equally know in the comment section. So the link to sign up for a free account and start participating in this will be in the video description. Take advantage of it right now. And that is it for this video. If you have gained value from the video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more updates, because I'll be publishing more videos about the Whop platform and how easy it is for you to start making money. Any of these reward content option that I apply for, I'll be sharing it with you guys. So make sure that you are active by subscribing to the channel and enabling notification for subsequent video that I'll be publishing on this platform. That is it for this video, guys. Go and sign up for a free account right now on Whop and start making money for yourself from the comfort of your home.